Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is the video encyclopedia entry for the binary to hexadecimal function, or BIN2HEX. What the binary to hexadecimal function does is it converts a binary number, which can be represented by a string of ones and zeros, into a hexadecimal number, which can be represented by the digits 0 through 9 and the letters A through F. For example, this value, which I will just confirm in decimal is equal to the value 85, is represented in hexadecimal by the value 55, or 55. I shouldn't actually say 55, it's 55. 55 in hexadecimal is obviously represents the same as 85 in decimal. That's the intermediate. And this is the basic use cases. Anytime that we end up with a binary number from whatever we're working with, whether we're doing some sort of truth tables or data processing at a low level, this will convert from binary to hexadecimal. If you've got this far, this is a great time to like and subscribe to the channel. So the input arguments for the binary to hexadecimal function is, first of all, the number. The number, of course, here is just our binary value. We also have the ability to add places. And what places does is it adds leading zeros, as applicable, to the number, up to the maximum number of values that can be held in this hexadecimal format. I believe it's 10. Let me just confirm that. Yeah, there we go. It is 10. Once you get past 10 values, it is too large of a value for that hexadecimal format to be output into, and Excel has a little temper tantrum. So the largest value that you can input in BIN2HEX is 9 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 511 in decimal. In hexadecimal, that translates to the much less impressive zeros 1FF. And if we did not have the place value added here, if we left it empty or had it be 3, we'll say, then it would just be 1FF. The smallest value that can be held is the smallest value representable inside of the binary string in Excel, which is 1 followed by 9 zeros. Oops, there we go. There we go. And this is equal to the value negative 512 using 2's complement representation of negative numbers. That's good to know. 2's complement, not something that I'm going to describe here. And it looks like the leading zeros are unnecessary. Now, I think that if we try to have fewer places than the number of digits, we just get a number error. I'm not actually sure why it didn't do that in the, in the negative format. I think it's going to be because it just doesn't like having, it won't accept a negative number in the places option. But once it's a negative number, Excel doesn't recognize the places representation as necessary. It doesn't have, because it can't have the leading zeros. So it's a little bit finicky there, a little bit funny. Okay, those are kind of the limitations of the binary to hexadecimal function. Some related functions include the function that does the opposite, hexadecimal to binary, and of course the rest of the family of the binary conversion functions, binary to decimal and binary to octal, which will be discussed in other videos. I hope that you found this helpful. And that you are having a great day. May all of your engineering be accelerated.